Hey guys, I'm sorry that I can't be there today, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a little video here with a lesson in grammar today on direct objects. So what is a direct object? Well, we know that in a sentence there are two parts. There's the subject, which I have here in blue, the bear, and then there's the predicate, chased the boy down the street. Inside of the sentence, the bear chased the boy down the street, we have our action verb. So here's our action verb, chased. And the direct object, it's the person or the thing in the subject that's receiving the action. So in other words, who or what did the bear chase? Who or what is being chased? Well, the boy is being chased. The boy is the direct object. So we have the bear chased the boy down the street. So you're really going to be following some steps today when you do this. If I can get it to work here we go. So what you need to do right now is you're going to pause this video, and I want you to get out a whiteboard or a piece of paper and a pen. So, here are the steps we're going to use today. First, number your whiteboard to 8, and then you're going to read the sentence. In the sentence, I want you first to find the action verb and write it down. What is happening in the sentence? What's the action word or action verb that you see? Then you're going to ask yourself this question. Who or what is the action happening to? And then you're going to find who or what that action is happening to. And you're going to write down that person or the thing. Remember, if it feels like it's going too fast, you can pause the video and you can stop at any time if you need to. Let's try it. Okay? On your whiteboard, write the action verb and write the direct object. Let's try this one together. The sentence says, he chopped enough wood for a week. So I'm going to ask myself, I'm going to use a different little pointer option here. Ooh, fancy. Let's use a pen. So I'm going to ask myself, what's the action that's happening in this sentence? And I see the action of chopped. So with me, would you write down the word chopped on your whiteboard or your paper? He chopped. That's our action verb. And so then we ask ourselves, who or what did he chop? Well, he chopped wood. Enough wood for a week. So our other word that we want to write down is wood. So see how they kind of go together? What did he chop? He chopped wood. Okay? So the first one I kind of did for you. This next one I want you to try on your own. Look at the sentence. He plowed the field for corn. Which word is the action verb? And then, who or what is receiving the action? I'm going to the next one. If you need time, pause the video. Number 3. Ooh, how'd that 3 get so small? Later in the day, he even picked berries for jam. Don't let this phrase right here fool you. Later in the day. That's a transition phrase. Look at this main sentence. He even picked berries for jam. What's the action in that sentence? Who or what received the action? Here's the next one. Number 4. Then he read a story to his brother. What's the action that he did? And then, what received the action? This one might be a little tricky. I guess so. I'm not going to give you a hint. You can figure it out. Number 5, just before going to bed, He walked the dog along the river. Again, don't get tricked or fooled by this transition phrase just before going to bed. Take that transition away and here's your main sentence. He walked the dog along the river. What's the action verb? What's the direct object? Who or what is receiving that action? Next one. Number 6. That night his head hit the pillow and he was asleep. Where's the action? What action word do you see in there? And then who or what received the action? Okay, number 7. The next day he painted the barn. What's the action in that sentence? Who or what received the action? Last sentence. Number 8. No wonder he welcomed his father back gratefully. What's the action? Who or what received the action? Okay, I'm counting down. When I get down to 1, I'm going to show you the answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check your answers. How'd you do? Do you understand it well enough? Because you're going to take a little quiz. All right.